number 5, King Rumfire, number 3, and they're off. Early lead is taken by King Rumfire from the outside. Storm Blast by the rail. In between horses is Cutter Minus, Windy Hour. And number 3, Sea Princess is slow out. And at the mid-back stretch is Storm Blast by the rail. King Rumfire on the outside. Cutter Minus running in third by 3.5 lengths. And nearing the far turn, it's Storm Blast by the rail. King Rumfire on the outside. Cutter Minus running in third by 3.5 lengths. Windy Hour and Sea Princess. Rounding the far turn, it's the outstanding favorite Storm Blast leading the field by a length and a half, followed by King Rumfire on the outside in second, and closing in third is Cutter Minus. And the last bend for home, it is still a Storm Blast by 2.5 lengths. King Rumfire, Cutter Minus moving up on the outside. Windy Hour and Sea Princess. At the top of the stretch, it is still entry number 1, and that is Storm Blast leading the field, followed by Cutter Minus and King Rumfire, Windy Hour and Sea Princess. And nearing the payoff line, it's a cinch for the horse of Mayor Benner Abalos. Entry number 1 is Storm Blast, Cutter Minus, King Rumfire, Sea Princess, Windy Hour.
3, 4 ang ating unofficial na datingan. At